in my head, listen until he starts off, but I never lost, I'm going hard. So the motherfucker, I'm not machine gun killing, yeah, but I'm a wild boy. When I was a kid, used to play the light, that's why I breathe that fire noise. The sick and typhoid, come on this hill, something so high. Shit, run to the station, run in the river, cause I'm so tired. It's alright, they say don't lie, I'm not that much swagger. Yo, I'm backing up that, man, I'm backing better. You will be running on me, just wait till I see you. I'll get you begging me to stop it up in I see you. That's on some whole new level, bitch. Your chicken feeling for me, get on my level, bitch. Yo, what's good? Shout out to Camera Records, my great governor, give me less than a minute, you can put your money, your heart, so make your business, cause I'm in my heart is beating with the feelings, I'm cheap that be beating, cause I beat it fine, I ain't like this, at the time my mind's breaking with me, style, with this girl, with the lights, you know that, I'm getting money, no blowing cash, hundreds, thousands, flying high with the love, she's breaking me, she came through, but she knows that I'm give up, came up from nothing to something, no one, you're bluffing, I'm running, you can tell when I'm coming, I'm starting, it's golden buzzing, I'm taking off, now that rock, to search the golden love, it's my favorite song, so I'm touching, shocking, nothing, I let you stop, so fuck you don't know what the fuck that baby's fucking wrong, if I told you, but you dropped the call in one flight, and they don't wanna know me, you shoot, they don't wanna know me, then come, so bitch in a row, cause they don't pretend, look, and I'm better now, take a look at peace out. Yeah, I'm smoking you out in the building right now. Shout out to T-Rock. Yo. It's the voice of another dog. Who's the heart of the rain tide? You can beat to it, you inside. Rap to the beat, I'm ripping up my phone. Going hard, I'll be going hard. I know I don't stop, cause I'm overcharged my mother. You know it, you pop it over, face off, burning up. At least you go on the neck. She wanna get wild and freaky up. Get that shit crazy wet. Making her wanna offer to feed me. Yo, please her, she needs me. She be checking me out. I'll please her, she'll please me. Then it's boom, boom, pow. Yeah. She like that. Shout out to Mark Smith, what's up on the house, so good. What's good? Next one. You don't know where I'm coming from, you don't need one, so someone get your hands on the fucking gun, do yourself, or baby burn, shoot yourself. Check me out, I'm back from hell, tell me even I just pound you out. I'm design the weapons that I'm striking from the line. I'm freestyle, I'm bleeding. I started rap when I was 14, now I'm 21, so that's 7 years, and I'm still moving this shit with the beats. I've been through shit like a bummer, I've been beat much more than a drummer. I was so young when I was young, that's what point for me to get any dumber. So fuck you, that's the most. I get shit pumping like popcorn on the shit as I say it, bro. I came up from the bottom, from a high like that, keep crashing down, taking off like a bucket. Now I know that's invincible. Simply know who to stop now. And like I said, I'm gonna be a freestyle. It's a backstab live work. Check me out. we rockin'. Yeah, check it out. No need for an airplane, fly me to fly now. I can take you with a vodka, but away to my hometown. Yeah, we can get away, I can take you to a better place. I said leave you man, cause you don't treat you right. You should be with me, it's so nice. I show that, so you know that, I know that, we both know that. So come with me, I say with me, I show that. There's no one else to pair, I'ma keep out, I'm so up there. I wanna be laying next to you in the bed every night. Gonna be a careful man, chilling on the one, instead of you on the other two. Gonna be that lucky guy. He's gonna help me you. Cause you're part of it. A million billion gonna be Superman. Gonna take me high like the sky. Yeah, that could be it. What's the plan? Get a plan. You know what I'm fucking doing? Yeah. Shout out to the niggas working on this one. Yeah. She knows my thing, bro. I'm a bedtime slave, yeah. I lay it down like a pavement. I'm a living with every time, it's amazing. I'm just saying I ain't trying to boast much. I know better when the younger ones up. I can make that home run and I'm so gone in this passionate love. I make a whole run. She's the bitch, she's telling me to keep going, don't stop now. So I'm never gonna stop, I'm gonna keep on giving it to her. Just like a roll up, cause my mind's gone and her mind's gone. Just go to bar, but it's with the lights up. The heat is on now when I'm moving to pick both of the legs up. And just kiss on the neck and slaves that soldier. The soldier, my shoulders, I'm going hot like boulders. Just hold her, stay focused, don't you notice? Hostess, we just roller coasting. Fucking right for the buck, collect people with overdosing. We'll be making that picture. This that vibes of addiction. I'm on the mission, I'm not missing. I'll give you that publicity. Doing it hard, doing it softly, doing it fast, doing it slowly, doing it whenever I want or whenever she wants. Cause I'm the greatest, she knows it.